The affordable drugstore look. So, ooh, sis got a bump under here. I didn't even see that. Let's get started. So, first, primer, which was $4.98. So I got this primer. I ain't gonna lie, I already opened it and I used some of the makeup already because I wanted to test it out in these streets before I came on this scene. So let me let that like simmer zam. I got a mirror over here, so let's tap that in a little bit. This challenge is not including eyebrows. No, I'm kidding. I ain't gonna lie, this challenge is real hard. So I have Airspun. Airspun is under like $3, $5. It gotta be like, I know it's under $5 for sure. So since I get shiny, I'm gonna put that here. In the places I get shiny at. Get shiny here, and I get shiny like here. I put the primer so that I wouldn't get as shiny, but yeah. Sometimes you gotta put a little powder in those shiny areas. Like me, I get oily in those areas. I have like combination skin. Okay, so the primer was $4.98. The foundation that I got was Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless, normal to oily. Maybe I should have got oily too. Whatever. Yeah, this is what I got. This was $5.98. Oh, and that primer was Wet n Wild Rose. It's like a 3-in-1 primer, so you can prime and set your face with it. Taking it back old school, y'all. Put a little bit on my... I have an issue with like my mole always disappearing. You know, I put makeup on, so I try to go around that. And if it disappears, I will go in with a pencil and make my own Janet Jackson move back up. It's in color 356 Warm Coconut. That's the color I got. And like I said, I've opened these products already, so I'm not gonna get crazy. I already know what it's about to do to me. I put like a thin layer here. Put some here. A trick that I learned from learning makeup on YouTube is that you don't put that much makeup in like in your under your eye, because you want it to be bright. So how's it gonna be bright if you add makeup then concealer? So yeah, don't put too much makeup under your eye, even though I did. But I'm gonna go back in with some more foundation because I feel like it's not full coverage enough for me. But like I said, I was gonna fix these spot areas that I don't like. This concealer should be done now, so let's get to it. I didn't put a lot of foundation, a lot of concealer at the top right here because I have a big forehead. This is when you have a small forehead. Don't let these people be fooling. They got small foreheads. I ain't got it like that, alright? Then, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm gonna come back with my eyebrows done, okay? And I got brows. I was gonna blend it in without you guys, but I'm loyal, so I came back. I'm gonna blend it with you. Alright, go. Blend, blend, blend. Blend. Oh, that sit too long. Gotta work at it. We're gonna go in with bronzer so we get some color back on this face. The matching. This bronzer was $3.97 and it's Rimmel. London.
LeBron James.
Rimmel London. I can never say this damn brand. Rimmel London. One day I'm gonna be on their cover. One day I'm gonna make it one day, and I'm gonna have to pronounce this. Rimmel London. Rimmel London. And they're gonna have me like. This is like blending in with my damn skin. Mascara. So this is when I went over budget. So I think we're at like $18 right now. Oh wait, we gotta put eyeshadows. The eyeshadows I got was Maybelline Glow Down. Whoa. Maybe it is in the color Glow Down. Maybelline Glow Down. So we're gonna use our finger, whatever. This is natural, so it ain't gotta be perfect. It's just a little pop of color so you can hit the 10. So you know what I was thinking when I bought this? I was like, well, I could use this for eyeshadow and I could use this for glow. So here we glow. In this corner. And then this corner. Weighing who knows how many pounds due to eating too much shenanigans. It's Ish. The crowd goes. The crowd goes. Like I said, a little highlight don't never hurt nobody. Put a little highlight up here too. Remember that bronzer I said I did too much of? I'm going back in with it. Because I realized I didn't know want to corner of my eye. Everyday beat, bruh. Okay. Do this. Now we got slim nose. Put a little powder under my eye. This is like minuscule, tiny bit of powder on my eye, just so she don't look so. So like I said it. I was watching this video today, and like makeup artist, he was saying he doesn't believe in baking because it makes the face like sucks the like oil out of your skin too much. Like he does like a lot of things under his skin, like under his makeup, so that on the outside when you finish your makeup you don't have to bake as much. So that's what I'm trying to go for, not baking so much on the outside. As you've seen, I put the powder under first, so yeah, that's what I did. Rose primer.
I did that before I put my mascara on, so that I can just make everything sit, you know? And then push.
Mascara, ScandalEyes, Rimmel London, Rimmel London. Bruce, you see that? Focus, baby. Whatever. And now I put on my mascara. Ever feel like your eyebrows is like not dark enough? Sometimes I add mascara to my eyebrows to like darken them up a little bit. Just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit. Not too much, not too much. A little bit. Okay? Okay. And then pull some of this down. I don't know who I'm fooling. I don't usually do that. Cause I ain't got no bottom lash. So I'm gonna just use what they gave me. This pencil. If I could get it open. Yeah, Rimmel London. Damn. I would have did my lips. I did buy this lip gloss. I think it was like $1.98, and it's Wet n Wild. I'll just pop that on. Like I said, if you ain't got no pencil, use like a dark brown. I usually don't do too much to my lips. Affordable, the everyday look. You ain't gotta do too much. She cute. So this is my final result, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Like I said, like and subscribe, and I'll put the rundown of how much everything costs at the bottom of the description box. I need y'all to comment below, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and like, subscribe, and like. Yeah. See y'all later. Deuces.